friends. This video is about hidden true 50 facts about the Virgo horoscope individuals. Watch the video till end. It'll help you to know much more about Virgo horoscope hidden traits and unknown abilities. If you like the video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. 1. Virgo is the sixth astrological sign in the zodiac. 2. It is an earth sign and is ruled by the planet Mercury. 3. Virgo's symbol is the Virgin, representing purity and innocence. 4. People born under the sign of Virgo are known for their attention to detail. 5. Virgos are often analytical and logical thinkers. 6. They have a strong sense of responsibility and are reliable. 7. Virgos are known for their organizational skills and love for order. 8. They are often perfectionists and strive for excellence in everything they do. 9. Virgos are often skilled at problem solving and finding practical solutions. 10. They have a keen eye for spotting mistakes and errors. 11. Virgos are often health conscious and pay attention to their physical well-being. 12. They are often reserved and can be shy in social situations. 13. Virgos are known for their loyalty and dedication to their relationships. 14. They can be critical of themselves and others, striving for constant improvement. 15. Virgos have a strong sense of duty and often take on responsibilities willingly. 16. They are often drawn to careers that involve analyzing data or working with details. 17. Virgos are often humble and don't seek attention or praise. 18. They can be practical and frugal with their finances. 19. Virgos are often excellent listeners and offer thoughtful advice. 20. They have a strong intuition and can sense when something is wrong. 21. Virgos are often interested in self-improvement and personal development. 22. They can be hard on themselves and have high expectations. 23. Virgos are often excellent problem solvers and enjoy finding solutions. 24. They have a strong work ethic and are willing to put in the effort to achieve their goals. 25. Virgos are often skilled at organizing and planning. 26. They pay attention to the small details that others may overlook. 27. Virgos can be reserved and may take time to open up to others. 28. They value honesty and integrity in themselves and others. 29. Virgos are often practical and down to earth. 30. They can be self-critical and strive for perfection. 31. Virgos are often interested in health and wellness. 32. They can be analytical and enjoy analyzing information. 33. Virgos are often good at multitasking and managing multiple responsibilities. 34. They have a strong sense of empathy and compassion for others. 35. Virgos are often reliable and responsible. 36. They can be critical of themselves and others. 37. Virgos are often good at problem solving and finding practical solutions. 38. They have a strong sense of duty and often take responsibility for others. 39. Virgos are often good at organizing and planning. 40. They can be reserved and may take time to open up to others. 41. Virgos value honesty and integrity. 42. They are often practical and down to earth. 43. Virgos can be self-critical and strive for perfection. 44. They have a strong sense of empathy and compassion. 45. Virgos are often reliable and responsible. 46. They can be analytical and enjoy analyzing information. 47. Virgos are often skilled at multitasking. 48. They have a strong intuition and can sense when something is wrong. 49. Virgos are often interested in self-improvement. 50. They have a strong work ethic and are determined to succeed. I hope you find these facts about Virgo horoscope individuals fascinating. Please keep in mind, these are just a few amazing facts about Virgo horoscope. Each person is unique, and individuals born under the sign of Virgo horoscope may display some or many of these characteristics. Please comment on the video and tell me what you want to know more about Virgo horoscope. I will answer your queries satisfactorily. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video because it takes a lot of hard work to make videos like this for you my friends.